Upswing, downswing, upswing, downswing, upswing, downswing. Okay, students, upswing and downswing. But we normally use these to talk about an increase or an improvement or a decrease of something, particularly economic figures. So there has been a downswing in inflation this month, a decrease. So these are two good words to use instead of increase and decrease, particularly in your graph descriptions. So there's the analysts are predicting an upswing in the share price. There was a downturn, a downswing in the economy. The gurus predicted that there would be a downswing in the GDP. There would be a downswing in the economic cycle, a decrease. So, an upswing, an upward trend, an increase in the strength of something, in the quantity of something. So there was an upswing in sales in the clothing industry last month. Okay, and then a downswing, a downturn. There was a downturn in the economy. There was a downturn in sales. Okay, so an upswing, a marked increase, a marked improvement. There was a dramatic upswing in profits. I guess you could say his career is on the upswing. He's becoming more and more famous. And then maybe the government's popularity is on the downswing. There was a downswing in government popularity. So an upswing, a sudden improvement, an increase in the amount, an increase in the level. So there was an upswing in violent crime in the area. There was an upswing in the economy. Very often we use these upswing and downswing in economies. Okay, there was an upswing in the party's popularity. There has been an upswing in alcohol abuse in the area. There's going to be, or the prediction is for an upswing in the economy. The economy is in an upswing cycle. If America is in an upswing, then normally European markets as well. Okay, so on an upswing, on the upswing, we're heading for an upswing. The population had been decreasing for several years, but now is on the upswing. So there had been a long-term downswing in the population. There had been a downswing in unemployment, but that could change at any moment. They also actually use this word downswing when somebody's playing golf and the club comes down. Upswing, downswing, yeah? So when the club is about to strike the ball. But a downward trend, a downward business trend, a downswing, a decrease. There has been a downswing in the birth rate. There's been an upswing in the number of court cases. There's been an upswing in the sales of these types of products over the past couple of months. So, formality, upswing, downswing. 5.5 in formality, use anywhere. A touch more informal, but I think that's fine. And as to origin, okay, comes from Proto-Germanic swingana. There's a Low German word swingen, a Dutch word zwingen. Swedish swinger. Okay, all of these talking about swing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope there's an upswing in the number of people viewing these videos. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Upswing and downswing.